Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon Matic and picking up where we left off in the previous Polygon video. Now, at this moment, we have Polygon that has been consolidating, but we do have a decent price move for the day, and this is due to multiple factors. One, we have Sam Bankman-Fried that has been arrested in the Bahamas after the U.S. files criminal charges against him, and he will be expected to be extradited to the United States. So that's one thing. That's one thing currently going on with crypto. And the other thing, of course, is the big thing. That is the consumer price. Prices rose less than expected in November, up 7.1% from a year ago. So there is a slowdown now with inflation. This is great stuff. This is big news. And this is big for not just the crypto market, but the stock market. And this was information that we needed. And this created this pump that we have going on right now. And so as far as things have been going on here with Polygon, it actually created a little bit of a price pump for Polygon, only up about 1% through the last 24 hours. Of course, there's a little bit of a cool down here going on since we are looking at it from a specific time frame. But when we look at Polygon right now, we can see that it's making this attempt here still at this Fibonacci level, but that's also where we have these moving averages at. So we have our moving averages that are really tightened up. We have 150 and 220 day moving average all lined up kind of in a price, but they're all in different order here, as the blue one is our 100, the yellow one is our 50, the red one is our 20, and the white one is our 200. So we're kind of stuck there between our 20 and our 200 day moving average at the moment, and we're trying to make this attempt here to get over the 200 day moving average, which is huge. And that's also right over this Fibonacci level that we need to be getting over as well. But if we're able to surpass this 200-day moving average, then we're going to be in a much better situation, because when we look at the last time, just before the whole FTX fallout had happened, we had managed to actually pump through that 200-day moving average and actually make gains above it. And you see the large price movements that we got, and it took us up into this Fibonacci level, into a price that was about $1.30. So if we look at the way that things have been playing out here with Polygon, it's one of the much better looking charts that are out there, because with Polygon, we've stayed within this wave 3 from this much larger wave pattern, and we haven't just been making claims since it possibly bottomed from the FTX fallout. It's been a different scenario here, because our wave 2 had ended before FTX. We've actually been in the wave 3 here, even during the FTX fallout. So nothing really changed with that. So it's a much better looking chart than pretty much all the other charts out there as far as cryptocurrencies go. And if we look at how things have played out here with the 52-week low, or the beginning of our first wave, and the completion after we came down within 5 waves here, you can see that 52-week low was at a price that was around 31.5 cents that we had reached. And then from there, we quickly went up within these 5 waves, and we completed that first wave at a price that was around $1.06. And then we came down for the second wave, and then we went up in the third wave. We completed that second wave, though, at a price that was around 70 cents. So that's our current bearish price that if we were to fall into, but we've been managing to stay above that. So we've been within this third wave, and we've seen this third wave have this first subwave that had taken us just right before the FTX fallout, the second subwave that had taken us just after the FTX fallout, and now we're within that third subwave, which is taking its time, of course, to be moving along here. But if we pump that 200-day moving average, then we'll most likely be retracing the whole FTX fallout, and I'm hoping that we'll line right up within these price predictions, somewhere between a price of above $1 into a $1.30. Hopefully we'll at least reach there soon, and that would be a much more bullish case for Polygon. Now, really anything over this $1 price, if we're able to have support over this $1 price, you can see how key it is too for Polygon after we had managed to pump through that back in September 2021, as we're really getting in that bull market there. We can see how it had bounced off that price and took Polygon all the way up to a price that was close to $3. So from there, as we had seen Polygon come down through the end of 2021 on into 2022, then after we had lost that $1 support, the price really came crashing down into its 52-week low. So that's all really important. That's our 200-day moving average that we're working on, and we're working on that $1 price that's going to take us up into these much larger price moves. So we have multiple factors that we can be looking forward to right after we pump to that 200-day moving average. So a lot of potential here within this third subwave, and especially within this wave 3, to see the price of Polygon really go up here. Now, as far as where things could be going as we play out here with this wave 3, I'm thinking that we might be able to see the price of Polygon go somewhere around, say, the price of $1.90, somewhere within that range, though. So say between $1.70 to possibly even $2 is a possibility, somewhere within there. But as far as waves 4 and 5, that's irrelevant at this moment. But I think that there's a lot to really retrace there. I think we're going to be looking at a interesting 2023, and especially a very interesting 2024. And at some point, I would expect things to go bullish, but then at some point, I would expect things to, of course, go bearish again. It's just going to be a process going to repeating. But as we're working through right now, this is where I'm at. I'm thinking that this wave 3 has so much potential, but where will this wave 3 complete? I'm hoping that we're going to see it complete within the first or second quarter of 2023, but who knows? I mean, it could be a very long wave 3. It could go much further than that. But with all that right now, since we're still close within range of our wave 2, and we have a lot to really make gains here, especially because we would still have to go above our wave 1. We're currently under that. So this is a great accumulation phase, in my opinion. This is where I'm accumulating. Now, what you guys do is your own thing. Obviously, don't do what I do just because I say I'm doing it. But I think, in my personal opinion, this is that great opportunity to accumulate. That's what I'm doing. And I hope that we're going to keep seeing this price of Polygon going up. So currently Polygon at a price a little bit above 92 cents right now. A whole lot of potential, in my opinion, to see these gains here continue. So very hopeful that we pump through that 200-day moving average and we see this retracement start to take place. But anyways, that's the current news with what's going on with Polygon. We'll have to keep updated here. A lot of this consolidation, I'm sorry that there's not even more news to really be putting out there since the price hasn't changed much, but every day is a different. So hopefully we'll see this transition here into hopefully a more of a bullish price movement soon. But that's the update for now. Thank you all for watching. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. And I talk about Polygon at least a few times a week. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing if you have not already. And a like really goes a long ways. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.